What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, prosperous day. I hope you're just doing well. Thank you so much for being here. Okay. I love you guys. You are the best. Today, I just want to thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Thank you for being here. Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome, you guys. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Today, don't forget, click thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the two middle fingers. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. How are you doing today? What's going on? Hi, everybody. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're being safe. I hope your family is doing well. Yes, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Today we're going to be doing watermelons, okay? Yes, that's how we do. So, you want to get your watermelon started right now. Okay. It's going on the end of June. You have plenty of time. We're in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. And we grow a long time, y'all. We grow a long time. Pretty much 4 seasons if you think about it. But yeah, we have the seasons coming up. The summer, first day of summer. Today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to everyone. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Yes, you guys. Happy Father's Day. We love you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. Thank you. I miss my father. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you. You're the best. He's just shining his sun right down on me right now. He's probably going, boy, you just doing that thing in it with the garden. Yeah, he could garden too. So you guys, I'm going to get the camera together. Today we're going to do our watermelons. We're going to transplant our watermelons that we started from seed into this garden. Now this is the garden that I started. You know, I showed you guys. Again, first year growing here. It'll be 1 year in a few days, you guys. Yeah. It'll be 1 year in a few days that I've been at this home. See that? And it was totally all dirt. There was nothing here. So I am so proud and thankful for the little bit that I did here. Yeah, you guys, we did that. So we're gonna get some of this old stuff up and we're gonna do our watermelons. Watermelons are not that hard to grow, but they are hard to grow, okay? So let's get all of our flowers. The plants that have flowers on them, that have gone to flowering. Let me get you down here with me. You know how I like to do. I have to get you down here with me. Just want to get some of the ones that have the flowers on them. Yeah. Just want to get some of them out. And you guys, sometimes when your plants go to seed, these things right here, they are so delicious. You can eat them right off the vine. Yep, I'm not going to do it back here because I know some of the rabbits have been back here. So I'm just going to clean up this little area real quick. You know, a little baby radish. Just clean this area up a little bit. And we're going to put our melons down, our watermelons down. Now, I'm going to show you my watermelon tower. This is something that I didn't learn from anybody else. I learned it on my own, okay? So, can you guys see me down here? Let me put you back up top. You guys, this is something that I just thought of. And I'm like, okay. When I moved over here last year, get your weeds out, you know. When I moved up here last year, it'll be a year in a few days, you guys. 1 year. You've been following me. Everything was just dirt. So I thought about something, and I started pumpkins over here. I started pumpkins in this patch. And they started doing some good, beautiful flowers, but no pumpkins and no female flowers. So, okay, we're going to try again. We're going to get this all together. So what we're going to do today, we're going to transplant some of our watermelons. Okay? And I'm going to call it my watermelon tower. SkinnyBoyRandy Watermelon Tower. So if you see it again somewhere else, tell them Copyright infringement, that belongs to Skinny Boy Randy, okay? Because anybody got no money to be giving this stuff away. Anybody got no money? I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. So all I'm going to do is real quick. This area, we're going to turn it into a little pumpkin field. I said pumpkin. I meant watermelon. So all I want to do is just loosen the soil up a little bit. And I'm not going to pull all the weeds up, you guys, because the rabbits are around. And I don't want them to find everything right off the bat, okay? So I'm going to dig one there. I'm going to dig one over here. Like that, y'all, okay? Just dig it up, turn it up. I'm not done yet. Then I'm going to put one over here. Let's get some of this weed up. I'm not going to take all the weeds out, you guys, because I don't want the rabbits to find everything. So plant them about 3 feet apart. I'm going to put one here because we're going to train them the way we want them to grow. Then I'm going to come over here and do one. So we're going to do 4 for the camera's sake. Let's take some of these out. Step right on out my shoe. Okay, you guys. Let's loosen this up. All right, now what I'm gonna do is show you how I'm gonna build a watermelon tower. Now you see we dug all this up. Let me get you down here in the ground. Let's go over to this one. Can you guys see me here? You see we dug all this up, right? Pull it up a little bit. Take the shovel. Excuse me. Excuse me. Got the sneezes, y'all. What's going on? Okay. So we're just gonna dig this up like real good, right? Dig it up real good, y'all. Dig it up real good. Can y'all see me? Okay. We're just digging this up real good. Okay. So now what I'm doing when I call it a watermelon tower, I'm digging down as deep as I can get it. Okay. Gonna add some cocoa coir that's already wet. Add some cocoa coir in there, which retains moisture, you guys. It's just the husk off of a coconut. We're gonna put that down in there like that. Okay? Can y'all see it? Put that cocoa coir down and it's soaking wet. That's how we want it. So we got the cocoa coir down in there like that. And we're just planting some of our Baker Creek seedlings. And we started them in a container. Like so. See? And when they get about that size, or you can let them get bigger, you can just scoop them on out. Let me get down here and show you. Scoop it on out, the whole plant. And cover it up with more cocoa coir. Keep that moisture in there. Especially if you're doing it during the time of day when it's very sunny. Like we're doing right now. Well, it's not that sunny right now. It's still a little early. But yeah, we're going to soak it because watermelon loves water. Hence the name watermelon. Then we're going to take some of our compost and just put it around it. Just like that. Okay? Now when I say the tower, I take a brick on this side. This side. This side. And we're going to do one on this side. And we want all of them touching so nothing gets in there. Okay?
And what makes it a tower is we go twice. We go up 2 times with our bricks. Now you can't even see it, right? But she's in there. Now we're gonna add some more cocoa core around the edges. Let's, can we get it? I wanna show you guys. I'm gonna take the rest of the mixture and pour right in there. Like that. And she has a little moisture on it, but it'll be okay. Because what's gonna happen is it's sheltered. It's getting sunlight, but it's also not getting the birds. So after that, I told you guys this little tool piece I found. You just order it real quick, cut it, and place over your plant. Hold up, you guys. I had to get my other brick. Sorry, you guys. Yes, just take your tool and go over top of your plant. Can I get you back up here, maybe? Yeah. I'm gonna take this and just cover it over our watermelon. Because the birds will eat you out of house and home, okay? I ain't lying. Them birds will eat you out of house and home. And anybody got no money to keep buying no plants? Okay. Anybody got no money? So just place them. Place your tool over it. Lift your brick up on one side and put a piece under there. Put a piece under here. You know how to secure stuff. And there you have it. See, our watermelon plant, she looks dirty right now, but the rain will come and it will go through. The sun will get through, but no animals will get through, okay? Okay, you guys, I love you. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Click like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not your middle fingers, okay? I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it.